What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be kind of fun. I'm going to be doing a cool and warm tones type eyeshadow makeup look, and I just wanted to do something different than the neutral look and makeup look. I want to do something fun and different. I really do love the fun and colorful different eyeshadow looks, and I wanted to do something kind of creative, which I know people have already done this look before. I've seen this look on Instagram so many times, and I wanted to try it out and see if I could do it. And I was pretty excited about this look towards the end of the video. I was really impressed how it came out. I really enjoyed it, and I don't know, I had some fun filming this video. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, continue watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social medias, which is JaylahMarshae on Instagram, and it's _JaylahMarshae on Twitter. And yeah, so let's continue with the video. So I've already done foundation. I already done my face makeup. I already done foundation, powder, and concealer. And I'm just gonna go in with some eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with the James Charles eyeshadow palette. I think for this eye I'm gonna go in with an orange, warm tone, and then this I'm gonna go for a blue tone. I'm gonna go for blue for a cool tone, cool and warm tone. So yeah. So I think first I'm going to go in. With this brown. I mean, not brown. I'm going to go in with this shade, with this orange shade. So I'm going to go in with this, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Oh no, doing it over here. And I'm just gonna build the color up to the intense that I want it, because I want this to be pretty bright. So now with the same brush, I'm actually gonna go in with this burnt orange color. Okay, so now I've done the orange side. Now I've done this side. I'm actually gonna go in with the blue. I'm actually put some red over here, but I'm gonna go on the blue side now. So with this brush, I'm gonna go in with this blue color, that blue. And I genuinely don't know the name of these, which I've watched the videos I don't know how many times, and I still don't know. Maybe I should look at my mirror. With the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just go like this, and I'm just gonna blend it like this. Now for blush, I'm going to go in with the Proceed with Caution Construct blush. You guys know how much. If you guys didn't see my full face of using my favorite product. If you guys didn't see my full face using my favorite product video, you guys would know this is my favorite blush ever, because I think it's very nude, and I don't think you just do whatever you want. I just really like it because it's not too pink. It's not that pink color where you just want to be natural that day or whatever. For highlighter, I'm going to be using I'm going back in with the James Charles palette, and I'm using the color Base. And I always do, I always put setting powder on with my highlighter so it can have that more intense look. I really love this highlighter. So I'm going to be using the ColourPop Proceed with Caution and the shade Slow Down. This is like the perfect nude, especially for like this look. And for mascara, I'm going to go in with my Benefit mascara. This is my favorite mascara ever. You guys know the Bad Gal Bang mascara. I think either them or Too Faced have a new mascara out, and I would like to try that. So. And lastly, for setting spray, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay setting spray, and I'm going to be spraying my face. So that's it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this cool and warm tones eyeshadow makeup look. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm really proud of how this came out. This actually looked really, really good. I'm actually really surprised. If you guys liked it, thumbs up. And if you guys want to recreate this, tag me on your Instagram. I am at JaylahMarshae on Instagram, and talk to me on Twitter. So yeah, I'm JaylahMarshae I'm _JaylahMarshae on Twitter. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.